Appwrite versus OS, which is best for you. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Appwrite and OS to help you decide which platform is best for your project. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Appwrite is an open source backend as a service pass. Over here, it provides authentication, databases, storage, and cloud functions to simplify backend development. It is best suited for small to mid-sized projects and for developers looking for an easy-to-use backend solution. After that, let's talk about OS Amazon Web Services. Over here, OS is a cloud computing giant that offers scalable infrastructure services, including computing power, databases, storage, ML, and networking. Then, it is best for large scale applications that require high scalability and security. Now, let's look at the key differences between the two. Ease of use. Appwrite is simple to set up and developer friendly. OAuth has a steeper learning curve and requires cloud expertise. Pricing. Appwrite is free for self-hosting and has affordable cloud plans. OAuth follows a pay-as-you-go model and can be expensive at scale. Scalability. Appwrite is great for small to medium projects. OAuth offers enterprise-grade scalability. Backend services. Appwrite provides pre-built backend services. OAuth offers fully customizable cloud infrastructure. Then let's talk about which platform is best for you. Choose Appwrite if or you need a simple open source backend solution, or you want to self-host your backend for more control, or your project is small to medium size. Choose OZIF, or you need enterprise level scalability and security, or you require a wide range of cloud services beyond backend functions, or your project needs high performance, global availability, and reliability. So that's the comparison between Appwrite and Oz. Pick the one that suits your project best. That's all for this video.